Okay. They said it's supposed to snow, and guess maybe they were right. It is gosh, I don't know what time it is. It's after lunch, and it is still snowing. And even like by 9 o'clock this morning, they said we already had like 7 inches of snow. And there's no telling what we've got. You can see it piled up on the bushes. And I'm gonna pan over there. You can see the cat. She's never been in snow before. But you can also see, look on that little bench. Right there, you can barely tell it's a bench. Right there. I don't know how many inches of snow that is. Probably about 9, I would guess. So, kitty, 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 what in the world? What in the world? And you can see it piled up on the bushes and everything. There's the neighbor's yard down there. So, it's crazy. And yeah, you can see it up on their roof too. And it's still coming down. They were saying it was going to stop, but I don't see any signs of that. Look at our little bench under there. What do you think, kitty kitty? What do you think? Huh? What in the world? What in the world? There's one tree limb broken off over there in the driveway. We could lose a few more before it's all over. So that plant's completely sunk. We haven't left the house. One of the neighbors I talked to earlier, they were out and they'd been around town and said they had helped push a girl in a little Nissan that was stuck. I don't think there's too many people out driving around, I wouldn't think. It's not really worth it. Look, now she's getting more adventurous. She'll be cold here shortly and be ready to go back in the house. Kitty kitty! Kitty kitty! She didn't like her stomach laying on it. What in the world? We went and got Chester and let him out here. He's a little bit more adventurous. He's been out in the snow before a couple of years ago. When he was a kitten, about her age, we had some snow, although it was not nearly this much. Chester? Chester? Usually they can hide down there in the bushes, but not now. Chester? Chester? Hold on, what happened to your finger now?
What?
What happened to your finger?
I don't know, it just randomly starts bleeding, look.
Hold on, I'm not going to be able to focus that close up.
Do you see it?
Well, you had to have done something to it. Probably got bit by a vampire bat in your sleep.
Got a little snowflake on your eyebrow.
I'm sure. Where's Chester?
Right there. Doody doody. Oh, there she goes.
Hold on, scoot over. Let me go look, see where he's at. Honey, scoot over. Chester, there he is. Oops, can't see him very good. There's a little one hiding back there.
There's no boots out there.
I told you to grab my keys and I'll...
Chester! He goes back there sometimes in peace in the bushes. He tries to hide, but we see him digging back there and we know what he's doing.
But these are going to keep your feet more dry.
I can't see him. He said he's off.
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Look, she's hiding down there under the bush to stay out of the,
I'll just stay up here.
stay out of the snow. Kitty, kitty! Wonder why Chester ran away. Come on, Chester, come play.
I don't like it. He's too sassy.
Squirty.
Chester.
Squirty.
Honey, stop. What are you doing? All right, that's far enough. What are you doing? Oh. Come on, kitty, kitty. No, don't put snow on her now. She will get cold.
See? It's snowing, Squirty.
Look at her hop. Kitty.
I gotta do that again. I gotta get that on video.
That was a funny little hop.
I wanna get fat. Good,
Chest.
Chester.
Honey, stop. Don't scare him.
He's so fat.
Hey, Chester. Yeah. He's a good boy, Chester. Don't kick snow on him, honey. Chester.
Okay, get this again.
Chester. That's good, honey. Don't take her too far. Stop, honey. Stop.
I'm not going any farther. I was turning around. Go, Squirty.
Yeah.
Can you see her hopping?
Yeah. Get Chester. Get Chester. Get Chester, kitty. Honey, she knows you're going to do something.
No, I'm not.
What in the world? Chester's under that bench. He's smart. Chester. Chester.
It's all stuck on his neck or his tag.
It is? Oh, yeah. Chester.
I think they're thinking it's time to go in.
I thought Jessica's... Oh, she's going to get her other memory card and come out here, huh?
Ew, you
Here's the car, except for Tracy's car that got to sleep in the garage last night. Ours, that branch fell off the tree and landed between Taylor and Jessica's cars. And then, whew, over here, my cars are completely covered. You can also see how much is piled up on the fence there. No, don't you jump on me. Alright, here's the back. And you can see it's pretty well covered. Yeah, it's more than pretty well covered. Over here, the dogs are loving it. Oh, sorry, Nala. I'm sorry, girl. Come on, Cody. Go ahead so I can film you. Huh? Do you like the snow? Do you like the snow? Huh, boy? Do you like the snow? Yeah. The pool's clear only because I've had the, yeah, look at it piled up around the pool. But I had it, I kept the pump running so it wouldn't freeze up, so I don't think you'd really want to jump in the water right now. Definitely looks like winter.